They own the skyscrapers you see on London's skyline, the luxury hotels in Mayfair, even some of the companies you shop from every day. Yet, you may have never heard their names. A network of ultra-wealthy Chinese billionaires has been quietly acquiring pieces of the United Kingdom, one deal at a time. This is the untold story of how foreign wealth is reshaping Britain's economy. Over the last 2 decades, China's rapid economic growth has created a new generation of billionaires, with fortunes built in technology, real estate, manufacturing, and energy. Many have looked beyond their borders for opportunities. The United Kingdom, with its stable economy, global influence, and iconic prestige, became one of their top investment targets. Started quietly in the early 2000s, Chinese investors began purchasing prime London properties, luxury apartments, historic buildings, and office towers. At first, it seemed like a trickle, but soon, entire blocks in districts like Canary Wharf and Kensington were in Chinese hands. Billion-pound deals were happening behind closed doors, often unnoticed by the public. Today, Chinese ownership in the UK's luxury real estate market is vast. From penthouses overlooking the River Thames to countryside, estates worth tens of millions. Their presence is undeniable. In Mayfair alone, a single billionaire is reported to own multiple properties, each serving as both an investment and a status symbol. But it's not just real estate. Chinese billionaires have taken significant stakes in British companies, from energy giants and utility providers to fashion brands and football clubs. These acquisitions aren't just about profit, they're about influence, global reach, and securing a lasting presence in one of the world's most powerful economies. Some of the most impactful investments have been in infrastructure. Chinese-backed companies have been involved in building high-speed rail projects, nuclear power plants, and telecommunications networks. This has sparked debate. Is this a sign of healthy international trade, or a quiet shift in control over critical national assets? On one hand, foreign investment brings money, jobs, and development. Chinese billionaires have injected billions of pounds into the UK economy, revitalizing certain industries. On the other hand, there are concerns about rising property prices, foreign dominance in key sectors, and the potential for political leverage through economic ownership. In Britain, the scale of Chinese ownership has gone unnoticed, but in political circles, the conversation is growing. Some welcome the capital inflow as a sign of Britain's global appeal. Others warn that too much foreign ownership could erode the country's independence in key areas. It's a debate with no simple answers. As global wealth shifts eastward, the UK will remain a prime target for overseas investors. Chinese billionaires are likely to keep expanding their presence, not only in London but across the nation. This raises important questions. How should Britain balance the benefits of foreign investment with the need to protect its economic sovereignty? The story of Chinese billionaires in Britain is still being written. Their deals are quiet, their influence subtle, but their impact is undeniable. In the coming years, this relationship will shape the future of both nations in ways we can only begin to imagine. The question is, who will own the next piece of Britain?